Babe's name.
Okay.
The cage has a gate.
Yeah. Next page.
Babe is big, but he is tamed. Jane is safe. She gets in the cage.
Babe, if it naps.
Naps and naps. Jane will wake him. What way can Jane wake Babe?
Good.
She tapped her cane. It fell.
She tapped.
Yeah.
It
That's what I said.
It failed.
It fails. That's actually kind of funny. To wake Babe. Jane will say Babe's name. Babe, wake up. Jane yells Babe. He wags his tail at Jane.
Like a dog does.
They're kind of a dog. Jane is Babe's pal. She rakes the hay in his cage. She will fix his mane. Jane plays with Babe. They run and race in the cage. Babe wins the race to the pail. It is late in the day. Jane cannot stay. She waves at Babe from the gate.